When you adventure in the great outdoors, fire can be a comfort and a life-saving necessity. Build a campfire with ease using fly-high fire starters. These one-of-a-kind fire starters are all natural and made with waterproof moss, giving you the means of survival in all conditions. Several years ago, I went on a backpacking trip. It rained for 3 days and we were unable to light a fire, making it a miserable experience. I was inspired to create a fire starter that worked in rain, snow, and all outdoor conditions. With a fly-high fire starter, you can build your fire using wet kindling. The fire starter will burn by itself for 15 minutes, giving ample time for the wood to catch. You can set it directly on the snow, rocks, a fire pit, or even float it in water. Fly-high fire starters are handcrafted in the USA and environmentally friendly. There is no leftover waste to be packed out. Fly-high fire starters are an essential part of your emergency preparedness kit. Use the fire starters in your backyard, fireplace, or even a bowl of water. The soothing crackling sound is great for meditation and relaxation. You can even make s'mores with your kids on the kitchen table. Take the stress out of starting a fire and easily light your tinder the first time, every time. Fly-high fire starters. The power of the light.